Metamorphosis. Many animals undergo a change in form and appearance during the development from egg to adult. This change is called metamorphosis. The word metamorphosis comes from a Greek word meaning change of form. Metamorphosis of a starfish. In this slide, you will see the frog life cycle from eggs to tadpoles. While tadpole is one stage in the frog life cycle, it has many phases. Here you can see the beginning changes or phases that the tadpole will go through. Here you can see the frog life cycle continues as the tadpoles develop legs. In the frog life cycle, a froglet is a tiny frog that has recently developed from a tadpole. It hasn't reached full maturity and still has a tail. Once the frog loses its tail, it is then considered an adult, no matter its size. Insects go through metamorphosis that can be categorized into two main types, complete and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is said to be complete when there is a clear distinction between the stages of development. Most insects undergo complete metamorphosis, distinguished by four distinct phases: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Beetles, butterflies, moths, flies, ants, wasps, and bees all follow this pattern. The butterfly's life cycle is a complete metamorphosis. Study the diagram below to see the changes that occur during the butterfly's life cycle. Incomplete metamorphosis. Incomplete metamorphosis has fewer stages than a complete metamorphosis. The three stages of an incomplete metamorphosis are egg, nymph, adult. The nymph looks more or less like a tiny version of the adult, but without wings. As the nymphs develop and grow, they shed their exoskeletons. This is called molting. Their final molt or shedding is when they become adults. Dragonflies, praying mantises, cockroaches, crickets, and grasshoppers all follow this pattern. Here is a diagram of the praying mantis's life cycle. As you can see, it is an incomplete metamorphosis because there are three stages: eggs, nymph, adult. The nymph looks very much like the adult. To summarize the lesson, this Venn diagram shows the similarities and differences of the two types of metamorphosis.